guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, finally I'm going to put this part 2 of the spray painting vlog up. So I'm just going to show you in today's video what happened after I left all the like the spray painted stuff on the terrace. So yeah. So yeah, basically what happened is because I spray painted with the newspaper below the like vases, so they literally got stuck because the paint was wet, and when it was wet it got stuck to the paper. When it dried out, it basically couldn't like come off easily. So there was a little blunder वहाँ पे, क्योंकि the newspaper print got stuck, like came on top of the paint in two of my vases, which was very unfortunate. So first I had to like get them out to dry in my balcony, बिकॉज इतने टाइम उसको टेरेस पे नहीं छोड़ना था, सो बालकनी में लाना था. तो जब लाई तब पता चला कि जो न्यूज़पेपर है वो उससे स्टक हो गया था. But anyhow, I got it downstairs, and then so I got all of these in my balcony for drying, and all of them look fine until I told you that the newspaper was sticking to the pots. So this newspaper thing got stamped on this one as well as the other glass one. So that is what happened, and it's been like 48 hours since they're here. So I think I'm going to probably like paint something on top of that one, like one side as well as this one. Rest of them look fine, like they're fine from the side and all, but otherwise the payoff looks pretty good. Like if you see, they're properly white. So yeah, I'll just take them in and see what I want to do with these. If that crisis wouldn't have happened, otherwise they're like okay, and I think they're usable, and let's see what I'm going to place in them. Yeah, so for now let's just take them inside. I'm just going to give you a little thing about how I've placed it. So if you have checked out my previous, I think in two of my previous vlogs I have shown you my wall mounted shelf, and on that मैंने वो अभी के लिए for now I've just placed my white vases on top, which makes it look really nice and cohesive with the whole design. So I have placed 3 of them on top. एक में I've used for my brushes, the makeup brushes. You must have seen the declutter vlog. And one more, I've just kept it there. I know I'm going to utilize it somehow, but I don't know as of now what I'm going to do with it. But the spray painting, the paint came out to be really good. And yeah, तो paint में कोई problem नहीं था. It came on well on all of the pieces. कुछ में I think double coat लगा, but at the end it was all good. I'm just going to show you how they look on my wall mounted shelf. This is my wall mounted shelf, and one of the bottles is right here. I'm going to use it for some other purpose, but the 3 are like properly placed over here and they look really nice. With that, I've put the red flower thing. With this, I've like put like a golden chain over here, and with that one I'm yet to put like more artificial flowers, but for now it looks really nice. I really like how they turned out. Yeah, so that is how they look on my wall mounted shelf. 3 of them have like perfectly fitted. I'm going to put like more artificial flowers in them so that they look better. I have some artificial flowers ordered from Amazon. You can check out my Amazon haul if you've missed that. I've mentioned them in that particular haul. And in addition to this, I just thought of clubbing one more thing, that I had like a spare chair over here with my study table. So I really thought of jazzing it up a bit because it was looking too wooden. So what I thought of doing was ordering a chair cover from Amazon and like putting it on the chair. I'm going to add the process clip over here. Okay, so this is what the chair looks like. It is like a basic dining table size chair. So it is basically this tall and like a regular size chair. So I ordered this chair cover from Amazon as I told you in my previous vlog. So we're going to try and fix it over here and see if this actually fits. So I really wanted like a tropical look over here on my chair. So I'm going for this one. I will link the product down below so you can definitely check it out. Open it up. So this is the back packaging. So I'll just give you a closer look. This is what it should look like. Let's see if this like cover fits. So I'll just tell you what the suitable size for this particular cover is for a regular chair. It is the back height as is written here is 45 to 65 centimeter. Seat width should be 40 to 50 centimeter. Seat length should be 40 to 50 centimeter, and the material is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. That makes it like stretchable. So let's just get started with this. It's a pretty soft material and hopefully it should fit. It is literally like it has this elasticy thing over here, so let's see if we are able to fit it or not. I'm guessing, yeah, it has the word tropical written on it, which I'm guessing is the back side. So that is why the longer portion will come in the front. I hope it is clear. So it will be like this, something like this. Like the tropical word will come on the back side. Yeah, so let's just try and place it. So this is what the chair looks like now. It's like an element of green and a tropical vibe to my room. If you see the dressing area makeover vlog, you'll understand why I added a little bit of yellow like in front of the with that poof that you see over there. And I really wanted my study table chair to look something like this. And that is why there are a lot of seat cover options, honestly. So you can really order whichever you like. I really like this one, and I wanted an element of green because I like the color and the vibe and how it goes with the room aesthetic. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's just that it is suitable for the chair which has like a back seat, like the back cushion as well. Mine does not, so it is quite like it is hollow over here. But when you sit, of course, it is fine because the cushioning from the below portion, like the seat portion, fits exactly. So I don't have an issue with that. I'll just show you how it looks from the back side. So that's the tropical word written, and yeah, it looks pretty nice to me. Like if you see, and even the brown chair, like the legs and everything is brown, the wooden finish. It really complements the whole tropical vibe. There are a lot of options, like you get like all of the solid colors as well, like the plain colors as well, if you want to cover your chair with that. Basically, whatever chair you have, how you can match it with your room aesthetic, and you can just pick up a color or like a particular chair cover, the design that you like and you want to place in your room, so you can go for that. Little picture that is there on the cover, it really looks nice and same. The best thing is your cushion cover, like the seat cover, won't get dirty, and all you want to do is just take it out and wash it and then put it back. So that way it's convenient as well in terms of cleaning. Like you can use it on your dining table chairs or like your basic size chairs to like jazz them up a bit. A lot of designs are available, so you can check them out. I'll link mine, the tropical cover, down below, so you can definitely take a look and see for yourself how it looks and how it is priced. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, and if you did enjoy watching this, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have ever tried spray painting on your own, and how is the result like. Did you like that? Did you not? Like, comment down below and let me know. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.